This is how I preserve peppers for the winter. I fill the jars in 10 minutes, and the pepper does not spoil for years. No preservatives. For canning, I choose hard and fleshy peppers because they retain their shape and flavor the best. I will clean the pepper from the stems and seeds. I cut the cleaned pepper into thicker fillets. I will also clean the white part of the pepper because it can change the flavor of the dressing. Now I'm going to make the dressing. I pour 850 milliliters of water into the pot. 350 milliliters of 9-proof vinegar. 25 grams of salt. I add 35 grams of sugar. 100 grams of honey. I put the pan on the stove, and I will wait for the dressing to boil. The dressing has boiled, and I remove it from the stove. Now I need clean and washed jars. I add half a teaspoon of coriander seeds to each jar. Half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. A few grains of pepper. And I add very little chili pepper. I put pepper fillets in jars. I pour the dressing into the jars to cover the pepper. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan, and I put the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pot on the stove, and from the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 20 minutes. After pasteurizing for 20 minutes, I will leave the jars to cool completely in the water. When the jars cool down, the center part of the lid must sink in. I store the jars in a dark and cool place until of use. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.